Chapter 13 of Class 8 Introduction to Graphs. Plotting of points in Cartesian plane. This is a Cartesian plane. The horizontal line is known as x-axis. The horizontal line is known as x-axis. This x-axis. And vertical line is y-axis. This is y-axis. Where these two lines intersect at this point is known as origin. Okay, this is a first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. In this quadrant number 1, here is positive numbers, negative numbers, positive and negative. This side of x-axis is positive and left hand side negative. Above positive and down negative number. In first quadrant, all the coordinates will come positive and positive. And second quadrant, first negative and then positive. In third quadrant, both negative, and in this quadrant positive and negative. In class 8, you have to studies about first quadrant, all the positive numbers. The plotting of numbers. Suppose a number is written in the form of ordered pair, x and y. Suppose this number is 1 and 2. Plot 1, 2 in the Cartesian plane. So first you have to plot x-axis and y-axis and origin, and take points 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, etc. And in this 1, 2, 3, etc. The number 1 is from y-axis. It means it is on x-axis. This is the 1. And 2, this. Where these 2 points meet? This point is 1, 2. This is a plotting of points in Cartesian plane. पहला नंबर एक्स एक्सिस से लेते हैं और दूसरा वाई से हमेशा. और क्लास 8 में सिर्फ आपको फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट के बारे में पढ़ाई करना है. नाउ ब्रेन टीजर. द ब्रेन टीजर्स मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. The point at which the x-axis and y-axis intersect on the Cartesian plane is abscissa is x-axis, origin, ordinate is y-axis and none. The point at which the x-axis and y-axis intersect is origin. Origin is the right option. जहाँ पर दोनों एक्सिस मिलते हैं वो पॉइंट कहलाता है origin. B. If a point lies on the y-axis, its coordinate, the point lies on the y-axis, it means 0 y, because x remains the 0 and y coordinate is, this point answer is 0 y. The distance of a point P23 from x axis. अब 2 3 है, उसका x एक्सिस से दूरी कितनी होगी? 3 यूनिट्स. और अगर y एक्सिस से पूछेगा तो यूनिट डिस्टेंस होगी 2. x एक्सिस आंसर इज 3 यूनिट्स. The distance of a point y-axis is called a distance of a point from y-axis. y-axis से दूरी क्या कहलाती है? abscissa. Okay, abscissa is x coordinate. Abscissa. Okay. Answer the following questions. Write down the coordinates of the origin. Coordinates of the origin is 0 0. What are the coordinates of a point which lies on the x-axis? x 0. If a point lies on this axis, so this coordinate is x and y remains the 0. This is the coordinate on x-axis. What is the distance of the point C42 from y-axis? y-axis से दूरी हमेशा कौन सी होगी? x coordinate. The answer is 4. What is the distance between the point P02 and 06? If 02, this is the point 02 and this is the 06, because it lies on the y-axis. So 4 यूनिट्स. 0.6 and 0.2 के बीच में कितनी दूरी होगी? 4 यूनिट्स की. If the vertices OAB of a square OABC are 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2, what are the coordinates of the fourth vertex C of the square? Okay. Suppose OABC is a square. First coordinate is 0, 0. This is the O, and A is 2, 0. It means here A point coordinates is 2, 0, and third 2, 2, B 2, 2. How will you? देखिए स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए ये होना चाहिए. तो C के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या आ रहे हैं? ये C पॉइंट है 2, 0, 2. X equal to 0 and Y equal to 2. The coordinates of the fourth C is 0, 2. Okay. Question number 2. Write the coordinates of the each of the vertices of each polygon given below. Number 1. Start from this. Coordinate O 0, 0. The coordinates of A is equal to 2 for x-axis पर 2, y 0. Coordinates of B from x to y 2. The coordinates of B is 2, 2. Now see, x is 0 and y is 2. The coordinates of C is 0, 2. Now N. X coordinate is 5, y is 0, and coordinates of N is 5, 0. And M 8 and 2. From X, at the X 8 is X. पहला नंबर हमेशा X से लेते हैं और दूसरा Y से. And L फर्स्ट इज 5, 4. 5x पर है और y से 4. नाउ P 2, 6. सबसे पहले x एक्सिस पर देखेंगे तब y पर देखेंगे. Q फर्स्ट 4, 6. Q is 4, 6. R is 5, 8. And S 2, S 3, इसके लगा के देखेंगे 3, 8. These are the coordinates of points A, B, C, L, M, N and P, Q, R, S. हमेशा कोऑर्डिनेट कहाँ से देखते हैं? पहले X से, then Y से. Next question. The run scored by the Indian and Australian teams in first 10 overs are given below. These are the overs and run India and Australia. Draw the graph showing the data making the graphs on the same axis in each case. Okay. एक ग्राफ पेपर लेके हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पहले समझिए तब बनाएंगे. This is the axis. This is the x axis and y axis. Okay. On x axis हम लोग लेंगे overs and y axis run. First graph is made for India, suppose like this, and second graph is for Australia. Okay. इस तरीके से बनेगा. ओवर्स लेंगे x एक्सिस पर और रन लेंगे y पर. नाउ सी, ड्रॉ these two lines, horizontal and vertical. Horizontal line is x axis and vertical line is y axis. Now taking overs on x axis. Okay, the first over, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the origin. And the runs 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3 in each centimeter. Take 1, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now plot the for India. In first over 3, second over 4, third over 6. Now plotting the points. For India, first over it is 3. Next over 4. Next third over 6, 5, and again 7, 8, 10. Okay, then 5, in which over? This 5. Next 6, and again 4. These are the points. Now join these points. You can join by using a scale. ऐसे in each over join one by one. Okay, this is the graph for India. You can write India. Again next plot for Australia. In first over Australia 5, in first over 5, second over 6, again 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, 4, 12 के बाद सीधा 4, यहाँ आ जाइए 4, 6 and 8 and 8. This is the graph for Australia. Join these points. You can join by using scale. Okay. In next over 4, 6 and 8, 8. This graph is for Australia. Okay. Finish. Brain teacher is finished now.